What really happens when you die? Is it instant darkness, or does something more mysterious take place? Scientists have studied death for centuries, and the answers might surprise you. Today, we break down the scientific journey of death, from the last heartbeat to the final moments of consciousness and beyond. Death isn't as instant as you might think. It happens in stages. Clinical death: your heart stops beating, blood no longer circulates, and oxygen is cut off from the brain. Biological death: cells begin dying due to lack of oxygen, but some stay active for minutes, even hours. But what happens in those final moments? Does your life really flash before your eyes? Incredibly, scientists discovered that in the moments before death, the brain becomes more active, not less. A 2013 study found a surge of brainwaves in dying rats, possibly explaining near-death experiences. Some people report seeing a bright light, reliving memories, or feeling a sense of peace. But is this just a biological process? Your brain floods with dopamine and endorphins, creating feelings of euphoria. This could explain why some people report seeing loved ones or even leaving their body. Once the brain shuts down, the body follows. Let's break down the timeline of decomposition. Minutes after death, your body temperature drops about 1.5 degrees Fahrenheit per hour. 2 to 6 hours, rigor mortis sets in, muscles stiffen as calcium builds up. 24 to 72 hours, cells break down, releasing gases that cause bloating. Days to weeks, bacteria take over, skin discolors, and organs liquefy. Months to years, the skeleton remains as soft tissues decompose. But what if you were buried in space or cryogenically frozen? Would you decompose the same way? Here's where things get really weird. Some studies suggest that consciousness may linger even after the heart stops. A 2018 study on cardiac arrest patients found brain activity for minutes after death. Some report being aware of conversations in the room after flatlining. Quantum theories suggest that consciousness might not end with the body. Does this mean we have a soul? Science is still searching for answers. Throughout history, humans have tried to explain the afterlife. Religious views, Christianity, Islam, Buddhism, and other beliefs on what happens after death. Scientific theories. Some physicists suggest we could exist in a multiverse, or our energy transfers into the universe. Near-death experiences. Many people claim to have seen an afterlife, but are they hallucinations? While science hasn't confirmed what happens after we die, one thing is certain: our atoms never disappear. They become part of something new. In the end, death is both a scientific event and a profound mystery. Whether consciousness continues or not, we may never know for sure. What do you think happens after we die? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you love exploring the mysteries of science and life, hit that subscribe button.